'cause there's no more missing someone, and missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and welcome to another skincare video. And I'm not gonna lie, this has to be the most requested video here on my channel thus far, but it's here now. Today we are going to be reviewing The Ordinary's Mandelic Acid 10% with HA. Yes, today we're going to be reviewing a product from The Ordinary. But for my newbies, please take a hot second to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon that pops up right next to it. It's really important, so you get notified anytime I have a new video here on this channel. So first of all, Mandelic acid is an AHA, that's an alpha hydroxy acid. So I feel like you don't hear about it nearly as much as you hear about its glycolic acid and lactic acid counterparts. Mandelic acid is derived from almonds and is both a water-soluble and an oil-soluble skincare ingredient, meaning it has the ability to directly penetrate into the skin pores, as compared to glycolic acid and lactic acid, which are only water-soluble ingredients. Here is why you should consider adding mandelic acid to your skincare routine. The first reason is because mandelic acid is known to have brightening skincare properties, similar to its glycolic acid and lactic acid counterparts. Mandelic acid is great for those of us with acne-prone skin because it has antibacterial properties, and we all know that acne is mostly caused by acne-causing bacteria. Mandelic acid is also great for clearing hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, texture irregularities, uneven skin tone, wrinkles, and fine lines as well. So if you have sensitive skin, mandelic acid is the most gentle chemical exfoliant I'd recommend for you. It's also known to control sebum production or excess oil production in the skin. Emphasis on the word control and not completely eradicate. So to me, the best part about mandelic acid is the fact that it's great for all skin types. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, oil combination skin, mandelic acid is going to work great for your skin. But that being said, actually, everybody has such a unique skin makeup, so maybe what works for one person might not work for the other. So I'd recommend highly that you patch test every skincare product before you use it on a small part of your skin, either under your chin or just a small portion of your face, just to test out over a period of time, maybe 24 hours to 48 hours, to see if you have any allergic reactions to any of the ingredients in the skincare product before you go in and apply it all over your face. Once you patch test and you're good, feel free to include it in your skincare routine and apply it as normal. If for some reason your skin can't tolerate glycolic acid or lactic acid, I would highly recommend you try out mandelic acid because it's much more gentler on the skin as compared to those other two AHAs. So it will ultimately take longer for you to see any form of improvement in your skin using mandelic acid. But trust the process and know that because it has a larger molecular size, it penetrates into the skin much more slowly than its other AHA counterparts. So it will take a little longer for you to see any improvement in your skin as compared to if you were using glycolic acid or lactic acid. And mandelic acid was designed this way so it can be tolerated by a wider group of people. The Ordinary's Mandelic Acid 10% plus HA comes in a 1 fluid ounce bottle, and it comes in a dark frosted UV protected bottle because you're supposed to keep it away from light as much as you possibly can, and that's where a skincare fridge comes in handy, but that's a completely different video topic altogether. But your mandelic acid should be kept in a cool environment. So I'm looking at the Ordinary's website right now and it's still available for $6. I'm going to leave it linked in my description box down below if you're interested in checking this product out so you can purchase it much easier. And if you're based in Accra, Ghana, I'm also going to leave links to where you can purchase this also here in Accra. The Mandelic Acid AHA 10% contains hyaluronic acid, as I mentioned previously, and it has a molecular weight of 152.1 daltons, which is larger than its other alpha hydroxy acid counterpart, example glycolic acid. So with this larger size molecules, it makes penetration into the skin slower than usual. Let me quickly show you how I use the Ordinary's Mandelic Acid 10% plus HA in my daily skincare routine. So the Ordinary does say you can use this product during the day or at night, but I have my retinol application for my nighttime skincare routine, so I tend to leave the AHAs for during the day because I don't want to be mixing them together for obvious reasons. And because it already contains hyaluronic acid, I tend to not add another hyaluronic acid to my skincare routine. So all I do is to cleanse my skin using a gel cleanser, and the gel cleanser that I've been using for months and months and months is the Clef Hydrating Cleansing Gel with Trahalose DNA Repair Complex. I love this cleanser so much because it does so much for my skin. I go in with a toner, and I tend to go in with a neutral toner that does not contain any acids or strong ingredients. So today I'm using my tea tree toner from the Body Shop before I go in with my Mandelic Acid 10% with hyaluronic acid, and then I just apply my moisturizer. And I just got this moisturizer, and it's this one from Mugworth. It provides a calming feeling and it's really lightweight. It absorbs into my skin so easily. So the next step in my skincare routine is applying sunscreen, which is a no-brainer by now. Everybody should be on their sunscreen game by now. The Ordinary's Mandelic Acid to me has absolutely no smell, and the coloration that you see is as a result of the presence of Tasmanian pepperberry, and this is just to reduce any form of irritation that your skin might experience if you use this product on your skin. So some products that you can easily combine with the Mandelic Acid 10% plus HA is niacinamide and vitamin C. Yes, you should be able to easily incorporate your niacinamide and vitamin C into your skincare routine if you're using the Mandelic Acid from the Ordinary. But because it already contains hyaluronic acid, I wouldn't want to waste my hyaluronic acid by adding more hyaluronic acid, because it's assumed that the Ordinary has added enough hyaluronic acid to this formula that my skin is going to need. So going in with extra hyaluronic acid to me feels like an overkill. So let me just quickly touch up on the formulation of this product. It really does remind me of the Ordinary's ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. Now I already have a full detailed review on the Ordinary's ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin, and I'm going to leave it linked right here so you can check it out if you're interested. But yeah, it does have an oily initial feel, but surprisingly it does completely get absorbed into your skin and it doesn't leave that oily feeling on your skin. That's a plus because some people don't like to have that oily greasy look on their face, and it really does not affect the look of your makeup after application. It doesn't break up your foundation or make you look patchy in any way, which is such a plus for me because I love my makeup whether I have great skin or not. Yes. So can you live without the Ordinary's Mandelic Acid? Well, yes, you can live without any skincare product if you want to. This is not a must in any way. If only you are interested in giving it a try, you should. But it's greatly going to depend on your skincare goals, what you hope to achieve with your whole entire skincare routine, and will this product get you there? That's what we are looking at, and if you feel it's not going to do that for you, feel free to skip it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and let me know which other products you'd like me to review here on my channel, and I'd love to do so. Also, if you didn't know, I have a whole playlist on the Ordinary products that I've reviewed, and I'm going to leave it linked up in the cards up above me, so feel free to check it out. If you're interested in finding out more about the Ordinary products, click the link right here.